Welcome back to Hari's Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about how to combine two sentences with the given phrases no sooner than, hardly when, and scarcely when. Let us read two sentences. First one is no sooner had the relief team arrived there than their joy knew no bounds. Second one, they had scarcely arrived at their destinations when the rain poured down. In the above two sentences, the expressions no sooner than and scarcely when are used to suggest that one thing happened very soon after another. So remember this carefully. One thing happened very soon after another. The expression hardly when is also used to express the same. So the thing is, in the given two sentences, two things may happen. In that two, one thing may happen very soon after another. So at that time, we use no sooner, scarcely when, or hardly when. Let us see no sooner than, hardly when. How to combine the two sentences with these two expressions. If the second event occurs immediately after the first, we can express that idea using the structure no sooner than. Note, in this structure, no sooner introduces the event that occurred first. So here, no sooner introduces the first event. That is, you have to remember. And next, let us see the examples. First one, no sooner had I arrived at the station, the train came. That means I came first and the train arrived right after me. Next one, no sooner had we heard the noise than we rushed to the spot. That means we heard the noise and then we went to the spot. And next one, no sooner had she finished one project than she started working on the next. That means she finished one project first and then he started working on the next. Next one, no sooner had she finished one project than she started working on the next. Hope you have understood this one. Next one, no sooner had I closed my eyes than I fell asleep. That means first I closed my eyes and then I fell asleep. So you have to understand that while you are writing the sentence with no sooner, after no sooner you should write the first incident, whatever the incident happened first in the given two sentences. Right. Listen. Note that did is also possible in this structure. In no sooner structure, sometimes you can use did also. For example, no sooner did I arrive at the station than the train came. No sooner did we hear the noise than we rushed to the spot. You can use did also. Right? When we begin sentence with a negative word, we put auxiliary verb before the subject. This is important. Here we are using helping verb in the beginning, auxiliary verb in the beginning, because we are beginning the sentence with a negative word. Here the negative word is no sooner. So you have to put the auxiliary verb before the subject. Here negative word is, observe the sentence. Here in this sentence, negative word is no sooner. So subject is she. If you are beginning the sentence with negative word, before the subject there should be auxiliary verb. Here we are using auxiliary verb. Hope all of you understood. Here you have to frame the no sooner phrase sentence like this. No sooner had she read the letter than she started crying. You should not write like this, what I have given in the bracket. You should not write like this. No sooner she read the letter than she started crying. That is wrong. Next, note that when and before are not possible in this structure. you should not use when and before in this structure, in this no sooner than structure. Next, let us see how to combine the sentence hardly when and scarcely when. It is possible to express the same idea using hardly, scarcely when. So, you can express the same idea by using hardly when and scarcely when. First example, hardly had I reached the station when the train came. Next, scarcely had I reached the station when the train arrived. The meaning of these two sentences is as soon as as soon as this structure is also used with the same meaning. As soon as I arrived at the station, the train came. As soon as she finished the project, she started working on the next. Combine the following sentence using the expressions. So, hope all of you understood how to combine the sentence with no sooner, hardly when, and scarcely when. Let us see how to combine the given sentences. Here, first example. I put the phone down, it rang again. Here, in these two sentences, in the given two sentences, first action is I put the phone down. This is the first action. And this is the second action. So, when you are beginning the sentence with no sooner, hardly, or scarcely, you have to write immediately first action. So, no sooner had I put the phone down. Why we have used had here? That means if you are beginning the sentence with negative word like no sooner, hardly, scarcely, you have to use auxiliary verb before the subject. Here the subject is I. So, before I, you need to use auxiliary verb had. Hope all of you understood. No sooner had I put the phone down than it rang again. Right. At the same time, hardly. Hardly had I put the phone down when it rang again. Same. In the same way, scarcely had I put the phone down when it rang again. You can write hardly, scarcely in different way also. That is, you can begin with subject, helping verb, and hardly. So the answer is I had hardly put the phone down when it rang again. At the same time, scarcely also. I had scarcely put the phone down when it rang again. Hope all of you understood how to combine the given two sentences with no sooner than, hardly when, and scarcely when. Let us see the second one. Here, this is the second one. The question is, I arrived at the station, then the bus came in. Here, what is the first incident? I arrived at the first station is the first incident. Then the bus came, it is the second incident. Along with these phrases, you have to write the first incident. You can begin the sentence with auxiliary verb, helping verb, because you are beginning the sentence with negative word. So, answer is no sooner had I arrived at the station than the bus came again. If in the given sentence then is there, you have to remove then and use than only. Right. Now, hardly. Hardly had I arrived at the station when the bus came in. Scarcely had I arrived at the station when the bus came in. Hope all of you understood these three answers. Let us see the third example. Let us see the third example. Here the third example is I closed the door, somebody knocked again. Here this is the first incident and this is the second incident. So, you can begin the sentence with no sooner, after that first incident, then second incident. So, the answer is no sooner had I closed the door than somebody knocked it again. So, in the same way, hardly and scarcely also. Hardly had I closed the door when somebody knocked it again. And third one, scarcely. Scarcely had I closed the door when somebody knocked it again. Hope all of you understood these three answers. Let us see fourth example. Here, she finished the meal. She started feeling hungry again. Yeah, this is the first action and this is second action. When you are combining the sentence with no sooner, after no sooner you have to write first action and then second action. So the answer is no sooner had she finished the meal than she started feeling hungry again. And second example, hardly had she finished the meal when she started feeling hungry again. And scarcely also in the same way, scarcely had she finished the meal when she started feeling hungry again. Let us see fifth one. Madhavi opened the door. The dog entered the room. Here this is the first action and this is second action. So the answer is no sooner had Madhavi opened the door than the dog entered the room. Hardly had Madhavi opened the door when the dog entered the room. Scarcely had Madhavi opened the door when the dog entered the room. Hope all of you understood these 5 examples. Here I have given one more example. Those who know the answers, you can write the answers in the comment box. The question is, he entered the room, then he saw the snake. Here this is the first action and this is second action. You can combine these two sentences with the help of these phrases: no sooner than, hardly when, scarcely when. Hope all of you understood how to combine the two sentences with the given phrases no sooner than, hardly when and scarcely when. Thank you all. Those who know these answers, you can write the answers in comment box.